In this video, we're going to look at how to remove characters from the left side of the string using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a string in cell B3 and the number of characters that we'll want to remove from the left side of the string captured in cell C3. To remove characters from the left side of the string, we're going to be using the right and the len functions. So let's go ahead and enter the formula into cell D3. That's equals right, open parentheses, and the right function basically returns a specified number of characters from the right side of a string. So the first argument of the right function is the string from which we want to remove characters. So let's select cell B3, which captures the string, followed by a comma. The second argument of the right function is the number of characters we want to extract from the selected string, starting from the right side. Therefore, we need to return the value of characters that we want to retain in this string, starting from the right. The way we achieve this is by using the len function to identify the total number of characters in a selected cell and remove the number of characters that we want to remove from the left side. So let's enter this into the formula. That's len, open parentheses, and all we'll do here is simply select cell B3, which captures the string, and close the parentheses. This will return the total number of characters in this string. And now all we'll need to do is subtract the number of characters that we want to remove from the left, which in this example is captured in cell C3. So that's minus C3. You can just as easily enter this value directly into the formula. However, in this example, I've included it in cell C3, and therefore we're referencing to this cell in the formula. And now all we need to do to finish off the formula is close the parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula has now removed the nominated characters from the left side of the string. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.